Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of financial frontiers, specifically, the world of Qonto. If you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone who wants to streamline your finances, you've probably come across this cool online banking platform. But here's the thing, Qonto isn't everywhere just yet. So, the burning question is, can you actually use Qonto where you live? Let's unpack the nitty-gritty and see if Qonto supports your global ambitions. The rise of the digital nomad. The world of work is changing. Gone are the days of the 9-to-5 grind chained to a single location. More and more people are embracing the freedom of the digital nomad lifestyle. They're working remotely, traveling the world, and living life on their own terms. But this global lifestyle throws a wrench into traditional banking. Who wants to deal with international fees, murky currency conversions, and the hassle of managing multiple accounts across borders? That's where platforms like Qonto come in. Qonto, your financial all-in-one, but only in certain places. Qonto promises a seamless online banking experience for freelancers and small businesses. Think expense management, virtual cards, simplified invoicing, and all that good stuff, wrapped up in a user-friendly app. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Here's the catch. As of today, Qonto isn't quite a global phenomenon. They currently operate in 4 key European markets. France, this is where Qonto all began, so it makes sense that they have a strong presence here. Spain, hola. Spanish freelancers and businesses can now enjoy the benefits of Qonto's digital banking solutions. Germany, guten Tag. If you're a German entrepreneur, you can leverage Qonto's features to simplify your finances. Italy, ciao. Qonto brings its digital banking magic to the heart of Italy. Looking beyond the Eurozone. So, what if you're outside these 4 European powerhouses? Don't fret just yet. Qonto is a growing company, and there are rumors of future expansion plans. They haven't announced anything concrete, but whispers suggest they might be setting their sights on other European countries or even venturing beyond the continent. The takeaway: keep your eyes peeled. While Qonto isn't a globally accessible platform yet, it's definitely one to watch. If you're a freelancer or entrepreneur with international aspirations, keeping tabs on Qonto's future developments could be a smart move. In the meantime, there are other fantastic online banking options out there that cater to a broader global audience. So, if Qonto isn't currently an option for you, don't despair. Do your research and find the platform that best suits your specific needs. Stay tuned for more financial adventures. That's it for today, folks. We hope this video helped you navigate the world of Qonto and its current reach. Remember, the world of fintech is constantly evolving, so stay tuned for more explorations into the best financial tools and resources for the modern professional. Thanks for watching, and until next time.